All right, well, the last thing we wanted to do today was to provide a highlight on upcoming ILSI activities sponsored by ILSI North America. So most, if not all, of this information is in the program package as well. All right, so there are two upcoming presentations that were supported by the Food and Chemical Safety Committee. So one of these is the analysis of ToxCast data for food relative compounds. This is being presented at the 10th World Congress Alternatives and Animal Use in the Life Sciences. So this is in Seattle later this year. This is by Alex Turley, who was a 2016 Summer Fellow. And I'm not sure, Monsi, can I mention what you mentioned to me? Okay, so Monsi informed me that Alex has actually won an award, or is going to be presented an award for this particular submission at that meeting. Then we also have Agnes Karmas, who was a Summer Fellow from 2012, yeah, a few years ago. Again, she's presenting on ToxCast information in conjunction with the Eurotox 27 presentation. ILSI will also be represented at the 21st International Congress of Nutrition in Buenos Aires in October. ILSI North America has organized 4 sessions. So one of them is on low-calorie sweeteners with an update on health and safety. The other on physical activity and health, new knowledge in research and technologies. I think it was shared yesterday, Allison mentioned that it's the sort of the global coming out for the advancement of the global food composition database, so that's going to be shared there, as well as sodium reduction and considerations with mineral intakes. In addition, other ILSI entities are organizing sessions on aging gracefully, staying healthy and well late in life, and the human microbiome, sharing our bodies, and understanding dietary patterns, a step toward devising a global nutrition strategy. The ILSI North America Lipids Committee is organizing a session for the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics, so FNSP. That meeting is in Chicago in October. The session is considering linoleic acid and asking the question, is there an intake range for optimal health? There's also, and this is not captured on a slide, unfortunately, but the ILSI North America Gut Microbiome Committee is sponsoring a program in conjunction with the Illinois Institute for Food Safety and Health and the University of Wisconsin's Food Research Institute. And this is on the microbiome in food quality, food safety, and human health. And that's a program that is on September 28th. Details for this will be posted on the ILSI North American website, and otherwise you could see Marge Leahy for information on that one. So thank you for that update. So, and then this is an opportune time to look forward to seeing everyone in 2018 at the ILSI annual meeting. So this is taking place again at the Fairmont Southampton in Bermuda. So there will be registrations forthcoming via email, so you could look for those, with registration beginning in early September. Now ILSI North America is organizing 5 sessions for the 2018 scientific program. The 2018 program chair is Stephen Crozier with Hershey, and the vice chair is John Slevenpiper from the University of Toronto. The sessions include the intersection between food sustainability and health. We're also organizing a session entitled Threats to the Global Food Supply. one on new advances, diet and microbiome. There will be a follow-up session to last year's Water 1, creatively titled Water 2, Water Management for the Future. And then finally, an advances in risk-based decision-making. I'm not sure I know we were fine playing around with the title to that one, so it's something to that effect. In addition, we will feature the Assembly of Members and FNSPS meeting will feature 2 keynotes. So one will be the Exposome, Challenges and Opportunity in the Study of Non-Communicable Diseases, and that's from Paul Elliott from the Department of Public Health, Imperial College. And then also studies and research needed to enact cost-benefit analysis for better health implementation, and that's from Richard Williams from the Mercatus Center at George Mason University. So with that, we hope to see everyone at the 2018 meeting. And if you have any questions about the program, and certainly if you have any, just interest in helping as well, you can contact Heather. Now, before I say goodbye and thank you, I do want to open it up to anyone here. If there are any other meetings that are important for us to know, please take the microphone. And Heather's, you're not going to take a microphone? Okay. So if there are any upcoming, no, okay. So the other item here is to look for a post-meeting survey that'll come in the next few days via email. And again, we appreciate any and all feedback on that one. So with that, I will thank you very much for attending and certainly for participating. I think the engagement, the questions to the speakers, it was all very good discussion. I really want to thank the presenters as well. Very informative, very interesting, and I think, again, we kicked it off on the right note of paranoia there, so we all have something to take home in terms of trust. But with that, we'll adjourn. So thank you. Don't forget the little reception outside. All right, thank you.